Talofa lava and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. We are still in Hawaii. So many videos left to show you. Today we're headed to the North Shore where we practiced Siva afi with Vaimatina. We were a little late to the practice with Vaimatina, but they started off with smaller groups and then branched out into this larger group where they did their drills. So this is Logan doing drills with Vaimatina. One of the things we loved about training with Vaimatina is that it was outside. Being in Hawaii, you have the sun and there's lots of shade so that you're not getting too hot, and it's right on the beach. So if you're really happy, you can jump into the water after your practice. I got COVID on this trip, and so we didn't have the chance to learn drumming from Vaimatina, but Vaimatina have an amazing drumming group that are featured in the Siva afi World Championships and so many more performances. So if you get a chance to learn from them, that is an amazing opportunity. Living in Australia, our Siva afi mostly is from YouTube, and so seeing some of the videos of people and seeing them in person training and excelling is just an amazing feeling, when we loved that. Thank you so much to Vaimatina for having us in Hawaii and training with you. Your assistance in helping us to grow Siva afi here in Australia and for Logan's journey has been tremendous. He loves all of your videos, he loves everything you do, and we are so honored to have been in your company, and we look forward to seeing you all again one day, hopefully at a World Championships. So thank you again, and yes, links for Vaimatina are in the description. Make sure to see them and check them out.